So this is
the Entourage Edge, the world's first school book. It combines a fully featured Android-powered netbook with a full e-reader on the other side, using a 9.7-inch e-paper display.
So it's 10-inch LCD and 9.7 here.
10.1-inch, yep, 9.7. In addition, we are wireless, so we use Wi-Fi BNG, Bluetooth enabled, and we are in talks with wireless carriers about placing this on their networks. So at some point, we'll see an internal 3G module. Beyond that, you can also attach your 3G dongle if you have a USB dongle right now.
That works.
Yeah, that
already
does work.
And
yep.
you can flip it all the way around.
Certainly.
Right? So
it does have an accelerometer built in, so eventually this will all be automatic. You'll just be rotating and tilting it, but right now you can still go ahead and rotate it and put it in landscape mode if you'd like.
Cool.
So beyond just...
And you can also rotate it all the way behind, right?
Certainly.
And hold it like that, or the other way also, I guess. I like it with the E side.
Oh yeah, certainly. You can of course like use...
That. So how heavy is it?
3 pounds, 2.5 pounds actually.
All right.
So you want to feel it?
Cool. That's possible. That's cool.
Yes.
And on the other side, I'm probably clicking on something with my hand.
Oh yes.
Yeah, because
now you can lock the other side as well. So 6 to 8 hours of battery life with the LCD and the e-paper display in use. Go ahead and lock the LCD side, and with the e-paper side just in use, 16 to 20 hours of battery life.
Cool. When the e-paper side is only in use, do you have the Wi-Fi features or anything like that, or is it only when the Android side is on?
The Wi-Fi features are mostly active on the Android side because the LCD display updates and refreshes much more quickly than the e-paper side. So we do want to throw things over from the e-paper side into the Android side though, because you don't want to just marry two devices into some sort of Frankenstein device. You want to make them so they work together. So I mean, say pick out a term here.
So you have a Wacom touch input. That's awesome.
Exactly.
So you just
come on.
Yeah, come on. It's
yeah. Let me.
It's called. I mean, how soon is it from what's it called, the final release?
We're actually shipping in February, so we will be working quickly to get this work up to speed. But shipping in February, available for pre-order now from our website.
All right. So could you show something where you throw something from there to there? Does it help to reboot it right now?
Yes. Give me just a second here.
Can we do that? Can we film while it's rebooting? How long is the reboot?
Right now the reboot is much longer than expected, just because the development has a black and white technology right now, and color is coming into play. But right now, as a stopgap, since we do have this LCD, we might as well utilize it to display color pictures.
Ooh.
Beyond that, in addition, we want editors and publishers to increase the functionality of their page.
Could you search for free culture on Google?
Certainly.
Wikipedia. So you select it?
The Wi-Fi right now is
you would click there and it's
slammed. Sorry, I just.
It just goes over there, and then you immediately, like in 1-2 clicks, you're close to search, and you can choose to search for something else. Google, InBook, Wikipedia, dictionary. Cool. Yep. You have all these.
Exactly. So that's we want to combine the power of being a web-enabled netbook with the book, so the book doesn't become just a flat page, and we're not just highlighting, we're not just taking notes in here. Of course, certainly we can do that. We can certainly write in the book if we'd like to, put squiggles in there, notes in the margins.
Can you use the Android as a keyboard?
Oh yes, so maybe I just want to put in a little bit of text. I think that's the text icon.
So this is not Android and this is Android?
Yes, that's correct. This is running on the underlying Linux operating system.
And they talk to each other constantly?
Yes. Yeah. You're always throwing information back and forth so that you have a active view. So we have a quick journaling application. And then if you want to write in text, it does pull up the...
And can you flip this around to have it the long keyboard?
Certainly.
So how do you do that?
Right. It does have an accelerometer built in, actually. But right now, we have a manual button to flip it.
Mm-hmm. And flip that as well, or?
That's why we don't have the accelerometer working right now, because eventually we will have this be flipping manual or automatically.
So you can type there.
Yep. And have it appear on your journal as well. So it does lend itself to a lot of converged applications, where you're leveraging the power of the ebook plus the power of the netbook there.
And there's a button to turn off the Android screen.
Oh, certainly, yes.
Turn down the brightness as well? Is that the shortcut, or you have to go in the menu?
You do have to go into the menu to disable or to lower the brightness, but you can, of course, lock the screen at any time. I'm spitting all over it, but regardless.
Could you show as well where you copy and paste some text
Certainly.
into a document?
Yeah, we do want to make these documents more usable for you, so, great. So within this, let's just copy a chunk of text here.
Copy this whole thing with the Wacom touchscreen. You push copy.
Copy.
And now you over here.
Just do a long press here.
Long press.
All right. Long press.
Long press like that. Paste.
Paste.
There it is.
Spit our text out.
Good.
So, you want to be a fully functional netbook. You want to be a fully functional e-reader, but when you have the two devices together, why not make them better? So.
How fast is the processor inside?
Right now, this is running at 800 megahertz. Final release is going to be 1.2 gigahertz.
1.2.
It's a Marvell Smart processor.
Like next month.
Yes. So we're moving fast. Exactly.
Cool. How much?
$490, available for sale now, or pre-order now from our website, entourageedge.com. And we're going to be shipping next month. So
cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks.